Huawei is going to be cutting its smartphone shipments in half this year. They have let their various suppliers know not to expect similar orders to the past. This U.S. sanction situation has obviously made its impact. It worked. I guess it worked as far as crippling Huawei. The company has told suppliers it plans to order a significantly lower number of smartphone components this year. Its handset shipments are expected to decline by more than 60%, actually. According to Nikkei Asia, Huawei has informed suppliers that it plans to order enough components for 70 to 80 million smartphones this year, which is a drop of more than 60% compared to the 189 million phones that the company shipped in 2020. Some suppliers expect Huawei to further cut that number and order enough components for only 50 million handsets. Wow. So they're still in there. They exist. You have the CEO of the company who's now petitioning the new president, Biden. So you have Ren Zhengfei. He's petitioning Biden. He says, okay, Trump's gone. Let's sort it out.
Yeah.
He said, let's have a meeting, whatever. Apparently nothing's been sorted out. Biden ain't having it. Biden ain't hearing it so far. I mean, maybe he's going to hear it. I don't know. But so far, nothing has opened up, so they had to cut the thing, which they've got some interesting stuff coming out, including this Mate X2 foldable next week.
Oh, yeah.
But it appears like, as far as the market for it, it's a shrunken market. And increasingly, it's tough for people outside of China to consider these devices even if the store showed up, even if you were able to get Google services on these devices, like snap of the fingers, Biden says, all right, fine, here's the pen stroke. You're still a little bit nervous because you're like, man, this is a big investment. I spent $1,000 on this thing or more. And I'm concerned that those rules could change again.
Yeah.
So it's when it comes to a brand and branding, and once the damage is dealt, it's hard to flip it around, which is why they sold the Honor brand, and maybe they just sell the premium portion of the smartphone brand. I don't know. Branding, man.